Congrats. You kept your cool, you trusted your realtor, and boom, your offer got accepted. That's huge. But listen, this isn't the finish line. Now we have to roll behind the scenes to steps to make the house officially yours. Step 1, title and escrow, aka the referee. Here in Chicago and in the suburbs, once your offer is accepted, the first move is opening the title and escrow. Think of the escrow like a referee in the Bears game. They don't care who wins, they just make sure that the rules are followed. The escrow and the title officer checks to make sure that the seller actually owns the house. There's no unpaid liens or taxes on hanging over it. Your earnest money, the good faith deposit, is held safely. All the contract details like inspections, disclosures get handled the right way. Their job is to keep the deal fair and clean so that when you finally get the keys to the home, is legally yours without any baggage. Step 2, inspections, house checkup. Next up, you're sending the house to the doctor. A professional inspector looks at everything: roof, windows, plumbing, electric, foundation, and even termites. If it's an older Chicago home or any suburb property with a well or septic, that's checked too. If something pops up during your inspection, agent may recommend a specialist. This step is all about making sure that you know what you're buying before you sign on the dotted line. Number 3, seller disclosures. It's house confession time. While you're busy with the inspections, the seller's filling out their disclosures. Think of it as their house history report. It can cover past repairs of renovations, things like train tracks nearby or plane overhead, hazards like lead paint, radon, fire zones, and yes, even it's been there a death or on the property. But this isn't about scaring you off. It's about full transparency so that you know exactly what you're walking into. Number 4, appraisal. That's the bank's opinion. If you're financing, the bank sends in an appraisal. Their job is to confirm that the house is worth the loan amount. If it comes in lower, don't panic. You got options like negotiation with the seller or adjusting the down payment. Your MLO and I will walk you through this if it does happen. Paperwork marathon, but it's worth it. During all this time, your lender may keep asking you for more documents, tax return, employment verification, even letters explaining where your deposits came from. I know it feels never ending, but it's normal. The goal is to make sure that your loan gets fully approved and that the money shows up at the closing without any delays. So bottom line, getting your offer accepted is a big win, but it's just the start. Escrow, inspection, disclosures, appraisals, and lender approvals, these are all the steps that you need to get to across the finish line to the closing table. With the right realtor, you won't just survive with this process. You'll get the keys to your new home with confidence. So this is Hugo with Coldwell Banker. I will see you in the next video.